Hello everybody, it's Shaf Rasul here. I wanted to have a meeting with one of our advisors about COVID-19 in relation to business interruptions insurance. Now, I decided to speak to Adrian Galuli. Adrian's been our advisor for a period of time. Adrian, do you want to explain to everybody what you do?
Hi, yes, I'm an insurance loss assessor. So we represent policyholders who are trying to claim from the insurance companies. We help get policy liability accepted, and we also quantify the losses that are being presented to the insurers. And we negotiate the settlement on behalf of the policyholder.
So basically, in layman's terms, a loss assessor will act on my behalf to basically put the claim forward and just claim under any applicable sections in the policy?
That's right, we act for you.
Yeah.
Yes.
And on the insurer side, who acts for the insurer side?
Insurers appoint loss adjusters as their agents, so we tend to negotiate with loss adjusters most of the time.
So can you explain what the situation to me is in relation to COVID-19 and business interruption as it stands at the moment, and then after that I'll have some specific questions for you.
Okay, sure. The section of the policy which is going to be applicable will be the business interruption section. The business interruption policy normally operates when there has been damage to the physical asset that's insured. For example, if there's a building catches fire, you can't conduct your business, you lose profit as a result of that, then the business interruption section would normally apply. However, that's not the case in the current circumstances. So what you need to do is establish, first of all, that you've got business interruption insured, and then you have to look at the extensions under the policy, and it is those extensions which may or may not help you claim.
Okay. Now, can you let's do some specific examples. Let's talk about business interruption in relation to loss of rent.
Okay.
Do you want to just explain
Sure,
how
yeah.
that works?
If your tenant cannot pay rent as a result of the coronavirus, then you have to look at the extensions under your policy. If there is an infectious disease extension or a notifiable disease extension, then in all probability you may be able to claim. However, then you have to carefully read the wording in respect of what an infectious disease is defined as under the policy. So you need to get some specialist advice, but you may be able to claim for loss of rent.
We may be able to claim for loss of rent. Okay, I want to run another couple of examples by you that I've heard of or that I've been involved in. One of the examples is basically we have an e-commerce business, and part of our business is via Amazon. Amazon have basically said that they're not accepting any incoming deliveries because they want to prioritise certain things.
Yeah.
Okay, so bearing in mind, we will not be able to put stock into Amazon, okay, which means we can't sell it.
Yeah.
Would we be insured against that?
If you've got the suppliers and customs extension under your business interruption section, then yes, you should be able to claim.
Yes, we should be able to claim, as long as we have that
You
extension.
have to have the appropriate extension under the policy, yeah.
Okay, what about if we can't get stock from our suppliers? So some of our suppliers are based overseas, for example.
Again, it's the same extension. The suppliers and customs extension may help you claim under the policy.
Okay, next question is, I have a friend that also has an e-commerce business, and they basically use a third-party fulfillment company. What a fulfillment company does is it takes your stock, they store the stock, they pick any orders you receive, and then they dispatch the orders. The fulfillment company has not been able to basically dispatch any orders because the staff are all self-isolating because of COVID-19. What happens in that situation?
Shaf, that would have to be carefully considered, and the policy wording would have to be closely looked at to see if that actually helps in the circumstances.
Okay, now here's a question. Our insurance policies are basically going to be up for renewal soon, in a period of months. What extensions should we be looking at to take on?
You should always try and ensure you have the infectious disease extension, the suppliers and customs extension, denial of access, loss of attraction.
Okay. Final question. Basically, a lot of companies, their staff are working from home, which means they're having to spend a lot of money on additional IT, additional infrastructure, new laptops for staff, etc. Is that covered under any form of insurance?
Again, I think what we'd have to do is look at the increased cost of working section of the business interruption section of the policy. That may be coverable. Those costs may be covered under the increased cost of working item.
That's brilliant. Guys, if you have any more questions, please stick them in the comments. I'll get Adrian back in a couple of days' time and we'll do a follow-up video to this. Thank you.